Honourable Speaker. June is Pride Month, a time to celebrate the courage, resilience and contributions made by lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer and intersex as well as asexual persons across Gauteng and South Africa. It is also a time to reaffirm our commitment to human dignity, equality and freedom. South Africa remains a global leader in LGBT rights, being the first country to continually prohibit discrimination based on sexual orientation. This achievement was made possible through the courage of pioneers such as Simon Nkoli, Justice Edwin Cameron, Beth Ditsi and Zaki Ahmad, whose activism helped secure the freedoms that we enjoy today. Gauteng is home to one of the largest and most diverse LGBT communities on the African continent. We welcome ongoing efforts by the Gauteng Provincial Government to promote equality, inclusion and awareness, while we recognize that many LGBT persons still face discrimination, violence, bullying, exclusion, as well as barriers to economic opportunity. Many young people continue to experience rejection and prejudice simply because of who they are. This reminds us that the work of building an inclusive society is far from complete. The Democratic Alliance remains committed to protecting constitutional rights, enforcing hate crime legislation, and promoting acceptance and equality. We will continue to advocate for the safety, dignity and non-discrimination of LGBT persons in schools, homes and the society. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Happy Pride Month to Gauteng.